Welcome back to Den Meeting Monday. I'm your Den leader, Richie. On today's Den Meeting, we'll be discussing exploding sticks, which is a STEM project that has to do with potential energy versus kinetic energy. But before we get into that, let's start how we always do, with the pledge, Scout oath, and Scout law. Everybody rise.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for the Scout oath. Scout signs.
On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, and to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight.
And lastly, the Scout law. Scout signs.
A Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. To make this at home, all you're going to need is some jumbo craft sticks. I tried the smaller ones, but the bigger ones tend to work better. So you're probably wondering, what is a stick bomb? Well, by weaving together craft sticks, you can actually create potential energy. And when the first stick in the chain is removed, it explodes with kinetic energy, kind of like this. Now, what we just watched was actually the world record for this kind of thing. Ours is actually going to be much smaller, but I'll show you how to start. You're going to want to overlap two of these craft sticks and then place one underneath and weave them together just like so. Once you've got them weaved together like this, there's going to be no potential energy stored up. But once you add this last stick right here, and then you can keep adding to these, you'll have a lot of potential energy stored up. Then, once you go to release it, you'll notice that everything will explode. But what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy? Potential energy is going to be like when you draw back a bow. All of that energy is stored inside of that string, and when you release it, it turns that potential energy into kinetic energy, pushing the arrow forward. Bows aren't the only thing with potential energy, though. A gallon of gasoline has a lot of potential energy, but you need to put it in your car to turn it into that kinetic energy. Once we have all of our sticks together, we take the bottom stick all the way out, and then release it to release that kinetic energy, causing an explosion.